folks, this one's going out for Noah Gardea over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for this. Head Creeps by Alice in Chains off their self-titled album. Tuning, we are in usual, standard but down half a step, okay? So you're going to sound like this. I'm using the new Funny Little Boxes Dirt pedal. Cat's out of the bag there, so thought I'd start chucking it in some lessons because I love it. And I've got a lot of Alice in Chains stuff to get through. So we're going to start with this. That happens, right? Then we have 4 guitar parts, right? You'll hear one in the background doing this. The other guitar part's playing. And round again, right? So let's start with those 2 parts. 3 bars are exactly the same, and then there's a variance on the 4th bar. So we have... Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Like that, 3 times. 4th time, you just mix it up a bit. So that's down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then a power chord on the 1st fret. The 2nd guitar part hints at the next riff, right? So we've got a power chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go to the 5th fret. Bend, release, bend, release, bend. Okay, half a step. And you know, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the last one is just over the top. We have harmonized guitar part. That basically, right? 2nd time is just that, right? So we've got second time, and the harmony, the lower harmony is just on the 9th fret. Like that, and again. Then the 2 guitar parts kind of converge on this. Such a good bit, that, isn't it? At the end. So we have down, down, up, down, down, up, and then chain. You're into the bridge part, which goes like this. And you repeat that twice round, okay? So the first half of the riff is always, okay, down, chug, chug, down, chug, chug, down, chug. And here we go. That's what I hear. But I would probably play that pull off. Just have it sound out. I would pick it. But from what I hear on the album, he doesn't. He just plays that, I think. So again, slowly. And then the second time. Straightforward, right? Once you've gone round that 4 times, and then you get to this, you're going to go back from riff A. So you repeat riff A, all that stuff, and then you go into the verse, and into the bridge again, into that whole lot again, right? The chorus part is a really interesting riff, actually, because it's 2 guitars that branch off, and it's quite hard to pick out kind of what's going on. But essentially we have this little turnaround that leads into a repeating part, which then plays, and then we've got this little rundown. You got that going on, right? The other guitar part is playing. Second time the other guitar part plays. It's not super clear, but that's what's going on, right? So let's go back to this. That's pretty straightforward, right? We've got 3rd fret, 4th fret power chords on the A string. Ever so slight bend there. Then we do this. This first part you can replace with just the power chord if you want, but it kind of mixes it up a bit. First time he definitely plays, and that there, I think it's that. But the other guitar part is playing, you know, up here, I think. So, you know, you get that. You'll hear some other stuff going on, but I would just play that. Anyway, 3rd bar. Same as the first bar, really. Then we have this rundown. So it's, but you're just arpeggiating, right? And then again, you got that going on the second time, right? Guitar 2 plays. Over that same part that guitar 1 plays, right? Over that. And then back to riff A, so all the same stuff you know, but the bridge this time, which is this part, you play that 8 times instead of 4. That's the only difference. I think you go back into the chorus again. Coming out of that then, you're going to go into this like middle 8 sort of part, really. And that goes like this. That's it, right? So you're essentially going and repeating that twice round. So you've got some arpeggiation going on with it, right? And then I think there's a cheeky little, you know, 5th in the root there. Okay. Back up. Pretty straightforward, I don't need to go through that. Then we're into the outro section. So this is the last part now, really. It's quite extended though, so we've got a lot of variants. It goes into a bit almost free-formy sort of stuff, but you've got this. You've got that going on, right? So you 3 times of this. Same as the verse, right? But you're just doing a very slow bend rather than... And then the 4th bar goes... you got a little natural harmonic on the 5th fret there. So right over the fret on the 5th. On the low string there, right? Then another riff comes in, which is... So that's a slightly different one. Just going to the 1st fret, right? Then we do the harmonic one again. Variation of that one, which is... Then we got 4 times of this, which you know, the harmonic one. Then this one again. You know what I mean? It's just picking like random variations, right? And then next we have this. 2 of these. Just a single bend and release. And then we get into this chuggy part, which plays... Pretty cool, isn't it? You play that 8 times. So it's down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Like that. There is an overdub that you'll hear as well, which is playing something like this. Over and over again. Like that. And then the ending is really freestyle. You're just hearing this. So just have fun with that, noodle around. And that is it. All the parts. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.